Postal services in Bahrain date back to 1884, when the country's first post office was opened in Manama. The office was managed by the Indian Post Office, which was under British rule at the time. During the 1940s, postal services went through a period of rapid development. By the end of the decade, postal coverage expanded to include towns and villages. A second post office was opened in Muharraq, and mailboxes were introduced. The British oversaw Bahrain's postal services from 1948 to 1966, which paved the way for the first national stamps to be issued on December 12, 1971. Bahrain joined the Arab Postal Union on January 1, 1968, and the Universal Postal Union on December 22, 1973, after the country gained its independence. Bahrain is also a founding member of the GCC Post, which was established in 1977. In a later stage, express mail was introduced to the country in 1982. The first post office in Bahrain opened on August 1, 1884. Located in Manama, in the house of the assistant to the British political agent in Bahrain, the building was a sub-office of the Indian Post Office, which oversaw the country's postal services at the time. It remained Bahrain's only post office for 62 years. The post office remained housed in its original location until it relocated to the old government building in Bab al-Bahrain in the 1940s. Construction commenced in 1947 on a new separate building for the postal department opposite Bab al-Bahrain. The building is still in use to this day and is considered a landmark of old Manama.